channel. Today I'm playing Open This. I got this in my birthday present and my daddy's friend gave it to me. Let's open it. You didn't choose this stuff? Thank you, Daddy, for my pen. Guys, can you hold this, guys? Here, guys. Hey, this is the map. You ready to see it? It's not like purple, guys, here. Look up, you want me to open it? Where is it? There's someone. I will call them. Hey guys, let's open it. It's someone. It's someone, guys. Guys. I need help. What is he doing? Her name is Twinkle, and I love her so much. And this is for her, and this is for you see that walk. And she has a roll to come on her vehicle, where she goes to the hotel or goes Barbara's house with a lady. I think she, Mommy, I think she's her best friend with Twinkle. Mom, where's her sister? Maybe she's hiding. Yeah, we need more twins, 5 twins. So guys, do you like her, guys? She don't have no food. She's not a cat. So, I don't know. How about let's name her so Twinkle with a star? Maybe she wants to. She don't want to. This lady, this is the Scarlet Channel. I need it.